Welcome to Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology, MDAIT. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place, learn free at any time, learn free at any place. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. This program is brought to you by Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology, MDAIT. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. We'll start with a brief introduction about this session to accommodate those who could not join this session online in time for any reason whatsoever, and who will view the video recording of this session later. Let us begin. Learn almost everything free and become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator, published author through Zoom virtual meetings, irrespective of geographical location, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. Register your name for free webinars. How to register your name to attend free webinars? It is very easy. Just send your name by WhatsApp to 9844027371 in your mobile, and then send your name by WhatsApp text message, no calls please, and also send your name by email to x9t9@yahoo.com. Please save this WhatsApp number +91 9844027371 in your mobile, and then send your name by WhatsApp text message, no calls please, and also send your name by email to x9t9@yahoo.com. Please spread this message to all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this free, unique, and amazing opportunity. This is an Atmanirbhara Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck, viewers. Have a good day. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. Disclaimer: efforts have been made to present the information correctly, clearly, and completely in this presentation. However, every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore the end users are required to make use of the information provided in this presentation at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. Resources: the study material supplied by the learners is exclusively used wherever possible in the presentations, so that the learners will be able to learn from the same study material which they have. However, additional explanations, classroom examples, and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subjects more simpler and easier to learn. Video recording: the unedited video recordings of all sessions will be made available to all participants to enable them to go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert in the topic covered in the sessions through the link to YouTube, which is also beneficial to all those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. Donate. Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology is the free virtual learning center for everybody in both letter and spirit. Kindly excuse, we need donations not in the form of money, but in the form of honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of presentation of the information made during this session, so that They are addressed to the best extent possible during all our future sessions and future programs in the best interest of learners. Let us start from here and there. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ. Astrology for everybody. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ. Astrology everywhere. Start learning astrology in English, although Hindi and Kannada terms will also be explained whenever needed. This is a specially designed activity-based, unique, amazing free workshop spread over 8 sessions of 3 hours duration. Covers number 1, building blocks. Number 2, timing of events. Number 3, characteristics. Number 4, compatibility. Number 5, special configurations. Number 6, periods. Number 7, transits. Number 8, project work, which will be followed by additional sessions on miscellaneous topics of interest, which will be about 5 additional free sessions of 3 hours duration each for the benefit of so-called slow learners, which becomes about 39 hours in total, spread over 13 sessions. Learners are required to keep unruled notebook of preferably A4 size and black ink gel pen for smooth and effortless writing on smooth paper to participate in all activities that are included in every session. The unedited video recordings of all sessions will be made available to all participants via the link to YouTube, so that the same can be viewed as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert in the topic covered in all sessions. The participants are required to be present in sessions physically and mentally and concentrate only on learning the subject to get maximum benefit from every session. The participants are required to keep their horoscope ready to understand what it means to themselves. Otherwise, if name, date, and place of birth are given, then they will get free horoscope for self-study and interpretation during every session. The participants interested to participate in the free webinars are required to send their name, date, time, and place of birth to get free horoscope for self-study to x99@yahoo.com. 24 hours is more than enough to become an astrologer. Further, we look forward to the pleasure of hearing from you and welcoming everybody to make use of this unique, free, and amazing opportunity to become an astrologer in just 24 hours. Kindly spread this message through all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this unique, free, and amazing opportunity to improve their own productivity during the remaining period in the journey of their own lives, irrespective of their geographical location. Thank you very much for viewing this video recording brought to you by Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual learning center for everybody. The end. The end is not an end in itself, but it is always a new beginning. So let us start a new beginning by studying the unique, amazing, interesting subject of astrology for self-realization and to improve the productivity in our own journey of life during the remaining period of our life. Thank you very much for your participation. So, we look forward to the pleasure of welcoming you to the specially designed course or workshop to become an astrologer in just 24 hours. Thank you very much.